Artie McYarty, here with another one. This is chance number 3. I finally developed a little more skill set, and it is much more pleasurable doing the power washing task. We're looking at the back patio, looking at these nasty black mud, grime, black mold, whatever you want to call this. Time to get rid of it. Stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see the after shots. The results are breathtaking. By the way, it's all about that hose management. Stage the machine, stage it, and then just manage the hose, and you will be good. Get yourself some crud cutter from Lowe's. This gives an extra cleaning power instead of just water. Spray it down, soak it up, saturate it, let it sit for about 5 minutes before you go to power washing. I'm using my handheld sprayer, battery sprayer. I'm doing a 1:19 ratio mix, so about 8 ounces in 1 gallon. Have at it. Here's that saucer style power washer accessory that I used before. I love this thing. So, highly recommend using a combination of this saucer, and in between use a combination of just the regular wand. I used the tips 25 degrees and 40 degrees. 25 degrees was to really get in there and get some of those nitty gritty black dirt and mold spots off. And then the 40 degrees was to just push off the chemical, push off the remaining dirt that's just floating in the water, and just kind of push it all off into the landscape and the yard. And it was very good. Then you come back, use the saucer again, then come back, use the wand again, and you're good to go. You see how I don't have the machine in the frame? It's out of sight, out of mind. The machine is staged off to the side, off to the corner, away from my work area. And all I have to deal with is managing the one water hose. That's it, just that single hose. You can get hoses at various lengths. This one is the short one that came with the machine. You can get 50 foot, 100 foot, even longer hoses if you need to. 25 foot, whatever you need for your work area, your workspace. And this is a lifesaver because it's just me, my wand, the accessory at the end of the wand, and just the one hose that I'm managing. And it's electric, this machine, so it's plugged in at an outlet. Of course, you can get battery as well, and that's even one less cord to manage. But personally, for the power washer experience, I think plug-in electric is the best because it's still clean power, but it's constant power and I don't have to worry about batteries dying out on me. Side note, let me know what you think of the music. I personally love it. I even threw in a K-pop song at the end as a tribute to my wife. I love my wifey.
느끼지만 alright I don't want a best friend 너도 나와 같은 맘야 waiting to get there 나를 보며 웃어줘 때론 그리움이 우릴 서로 적겠지만 사랑한 그것만 그만 Keep it up, keep it 어떤 말로 표현할 수 있을까 어떤 마음으로 널 전할 수 있을까 멀리 가진 않겠지만 우린 더 볼 수 있겠지만 사랑한 수많은 계절만큼만 One, two, three 꽤나 머뭇거렸었지 아득하기만 했었지 빙글빙글 주위를 맴돌기만 했어 oh, I don't wanna last dance 어쩌면 많이 울 것 같아 Waiting to get there 나를 보고 말해줘 때론 그리움이 우릴 서로 적겠지만 사랑한 그것만 그만 Keep it up, keep it 어떤